In this video, we will cover equations and inequalities. We can use graphs of transformed functions to solve equations. For example, if we have the graph of the cubic function y equals 2, x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 5, you can solve for multiple y values. For example, we can find the solution when y equals 5, which is given by the green line, and when y equals -1. All you need to do is draw a vertical line going straight down to the x-axis to find your x solution at these intersection points. Where these lines cross the x-axis is the x solution for those equations. Solving inequalities. We can also use graphs of transformed functions to solve inequalities. If we were to solve 2 bracket x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 5 is greater than or equal to 4, we can graph y equals 4, given by the red line, with the transformed function graph, and any area above y equals 4 is a solution to the inequality. So any x value less than or equal to 2.5 will give us the solution. For each function, state how many solutions there are for the equation fx equals 0. You're looking for where your x-intercepts are. So for this first function, there are 2 solutions because the blue line crosses the x-axis at 2 points. Down here, in this graph, there are 0 solutions as it does not cross the x-axis. Note that this method also works for different things other than fx equals 0. If you were to do fx equals 5 for this second graph, you would say that there's 2 solutions. The graph of the linear function on your screen is shown. Solve graphically when it equals 5 and when it's greater than or equal to 10. So the first thing we need to do is draw our horizontal lines. Now that we've done that, we can see where they intersect our function line, and we can draw down a vertical line to find our x solutions. For our red line, for when it's equal to 5, we know x equals approximately 1.8, going off i's there. And for our blue, we know x equals 2.3. Notice that the blue equation was an inequality, so we know we need to find it where it's greater than 10. So it would be when x is greater than 2.3, as we want it above our original y equals 10 line. To end this video, we'll do a quick recap. Remember, for solving either inequalities or equations, it's essential to graph the function first, and then graph your horizontal or vertical line. If you're given a y value, you know you're going to be drawing a horizontal line. If you're given an x value, you're going to do a vertical line. You next find the point where they intercept, and you draw a vertical line to find your x solution. For inequalities, take note which side of your x value gives the correct solution to the original inequality.